Good morning, students. I hope you all must have completed question number 5. So let us start with question number 6 of exercise 3.2. The question is, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines. So one linear equation is given. We have to write down another linear equations to make it a pair of linear equation, so that we get when we draw it geometrically, we get it a intersecting line. So let us do that. So given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. So when you compare with the standard equation, what is a1, b1 and c1? a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to 3 and c1 equals to minus 8. Now you already know that for an intersecting line, for the geometrical representation to get intersecting lines, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So we have to make a linear equation, form a linear equation such a way that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. You can write down any equation you want, but the condition is that a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. So I have taken another linear equation as 3x plus 5y minus 7 equals to 0, where a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to 5 and c2 equals to minus 8. So you will find that a1 by a2 means 2 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 8. Okay, you can write down any equation of your own choice. Then second is, we have to make another linear equation. First linear equation is given. We have to take another linear equation in such a way that we get a parallel line. Again, for the parallel lines, what is the condition? That a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, again I have told you that a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to 3 and c1 equals to minus 8. Condition is that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. So let us see, if I write another equation as 4x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0, in this case what do you get? That a2 equals to 4, b2 equals to 6 and c2 equals to minus 9. So a1 by a2, that is 2 by 4 or 1 by 2, b1 by b2, that is 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. And what is c1 by c2 equal to? That is equal to minus 8 by minus 9. That is 8 by 9, which is not equal to 1 by 2. So I have taken another linear equation as 4x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. Now the third equation which we have to make is coincident line. Now for coincident line, they are equivalent fractions. So a1 by a2 will be equal to b1 by b2 will be equal to c1 by c2. So it is the most easiest equation which you can write down. You have to just write down the equivalent fraction. So I have just doubled the first equation. It was 2x plus 3y minus 8. I have written 4x plus 6y minus 16 equals to 0. So that when you do a1 by a2, it becomes 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2, b1 by b2, 3 by 6, that is again 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 equals to minus 8 by minus 16, that is again equal to 1 by 2. Okay children, so you can you can even write linear equations of your own choice also. Now let us do the last question of the exercise. The question is, draw the graph of equations x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. So pair of linear equations in two variables are given. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. So graph, as we have drawn in the previous questions, you have to draw this in the same way by taking two solutions for each linear equations, and then we have to find out the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. So let's see. Now for the first equation, x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, y is equal to x plus 1. So when I have taken x equal to 0, just put here 0, 0 plus 1 equals to 1. When x equals to 5, okay, then y will be equal to 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Then for the second table, second graph, I have made the second table. So what is y equal to here? Y will be equal to 12 minus 3x by 2. So when you put x equal to 2, okay, 2 3s are 6, 12 minus 6 by 2, it is 6 by 2, that is equals to 3. When x equals to 0, 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Now let us plot the graph for each linear equation. So when you will plot the graph for each linear equation, you will get two lines. Let's see. For the first equation, I have taken blue line, and for the second equation, red line. Okay, so first was 0 1. The first coordinate was 0 1, so it is 0 1. Okay, then second is 5 6. So here it is 5 and 6. I have joined the two points and with a, so it is coming a straight line, and I have written the equation also. Then come to the second graph. For second graph, I am using the red color, but you will be using red pencil. I am telling this repeatedly. So here it is 2 3. So it is 2 3 here. Okay. Then second is 0 6. So it will be 0 6 will be here. Just join these 2 points and make a straight line in such a way that they are intersecting the x-axis. Now the question is, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. So these two lines and the x-axis, it is given that you have to find the coordinates of the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis. Now from the graph, it is clear that the two lines are intersecting at point 2 3. Okay, let us name it as P. So it is P 2 3. So it is a point of intersection. Now we will be taking this triangle, we will name it as P. The point at which it is, the first line is intersecting the x-axis, we will name it as Q, and the second line is intersecting the x-axis as R. Now what do you find? What is the coordinate of Q here? It is intersecting the line x-axis at -1, and the y coordinate will be 0, so it is -1 0. Similarly, if it is intersecting the x-axis, we know that the y coordinate will remain 0. So it is intersecting, the second line is intersecting the x-axis at 4. So the coordinate of R will be 4 0. So what is the coordinate of the triangle formed? PQR, that is P 2 3, Q -1 0, and R 4 0. You have to shade this whole triangle. Okay, this PQR part you have to shade it according to the question. So solve these questions, practice similar questions from R.S. Agarwal, children. So your exercise 3.2 is over. Thank you.